Difference between baggage and luggage. Baggage is a noun, refers to bags, personal belongings, and can also mean emotional burden. Example sentences. The airline checked all passengers' baggage before boarding. Or you can say he has emotional baggage from past relationships. Luggage. Luggage is also a noun, refers to the suitcases and bags you travel with, and used mostly for physical travel items only. Example sentences. My luggage was too heavy, so I had to remove some things. Or you can say, she brought new luggage for her trip to Dubai. Now listen. Baggage, physical bags, and emotional weight. Luggage. Luggage is physical suitcases only.